Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the balance out in your VS Code on your MacBook M1 or any MacBook. So by default there is no shortcut key for the balance out. So what I mean by balance out means, so if I just press some shortcut key which I have just set up, so I will just press that. So I will just type command and option and V. So this will now select all the div related to this. So similarly, so if I want to get more div selected, so I can just press command shift B. So this will select whole div, and let me just press that. So you can see from here to here, so you can see the div is being selected. So if I want to deselect the div, so I can just type command option and V. So this will now deselect also. So this will select, deselect. So this is how you perform inward and outward for detecting the div which you have just used. So now to set up on your MacBook M1, so what you can do is just type command and P and just press this arrow and just type outward. So you can see, so this is showing the balance outward, and just press on this setting, and you can see this key binding. So this has been set up by me, so you can just set up by just you will be able to see plus sign here. Just click on that and just type command and option and B. So you can see, so this will now set up. So you can just set up like this, and similarly just type command and P again and just type balance, or you can just type inward. So if you're not able to find, so just close this one and just type command and P and just type this arrow and just type balance inward or outward, whichever you can see, you can find both one. So just click on that and you will be able to find this. So just do that, and now you will be able to use this keyboard combination. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.